To deed or not to deed? That is the question. Hi, this is attorney Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC. Today we're talking to you about deeds, and specifically we're looking at what is known as the quitclaim deed. We have several topics like this and other estate planning questions answered on our YouTube channel. You can check out the playlist titled Estate Planning Basics or Preparing Your Future, and you will find other videos like this on those playlists. Feel free to leave a comment and we will try and answer your question the best we can. But today we're focusing on the quitclaim deed. What is a quitclaim deed? How does it work? And why is it used? A quitclaim deed is essentially a special type of deed that a conveyor, or maybe you as the drafter or the grantor, will have drafted to convey whatever type of interest you have in that real property. Real property you can think of as a piece of land where your home is, maybe it's a cottage up north. All of these things are example of real property. You don't use a quitclaim deed to transfer title to a vehicle. That's not how you transfer title. You use a title to transfer title on a vehicle. But a quitclaim deed is used to transfer real property, something of substance. The example that I'll use is maybe you are, maybe John Smith is a single man. He buys a home and a couple years later he gets married. He wants to transfer or give ownership interest to his new spouse. He will have a quitclaim deed drafted up where him and his new spouse are listed as joint owners. Okay, another reason you would use a quitclaim deed would be to transfer ownership of your house into a trust so that the trust owns the home and is governed under the terms of that trust. At a later date when you pass away, those terms will be followed. If you would like to learn more about trusts, you can find our several videos on the topic of a trust in our playlist on our YouTube channel. But for now, we're just looking at that quitclaim deed. You can transfer ownership to the trust, and then essentially what will happen is that when you pass away, the terms of the trust will control what happens to that property. So that is one advantage of using a quitclaim deed in transferring your real property to a trust, or maybe adding a spouse onto the ownership of your home. There are other examples that you may find. Maybe you're transferring a cottage or a property up north to an individual in your family, or maybe one of your children to manage and take care of. A quitclaim deed may be what you're looking to use. You should always consult an attorney based on your specific circumstances. You should never take what I am saying as legal advice for your specific issue. You always want to consult an attorney before you do that. And lastly, we'll say that a quitclaim deed, remember, it's only conveying what interest you have in the property to an individual. So if there are liens or encumbrances on that property, and other people have rights maybe or interest in that property, a quitclaim deed is only going to transfer what you specifically own about that property to whoever you're transferring it to, whether it be another individual or a trust. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope to see you next time. And please leave us a comment below. It really helps us engage and get your guys' questions answered. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Guys, help others answer their legal questions. If you direct them to our website, we have a host of resources. Have them go to radzwionlaw.com. This is our homepage. You'll either see up in the top right corner, it'll say Learn and How To. You also have a button here that you can click on. It says Learn for free by clicking here. If you do that, our blog page will load, and everything is sorted by topic. You have everything estate planning, firearms, and how to. You can sign up so you never miss another video that we send out, or the Learn My Rights section. So you have these three topics here if you're looking for maybe what's better, a will or a trust. You can filter everything estate planning, go down estate planning basics. This says everything you need to know about the top 5 documents in your estate plan. If you click on this link here, it will then sort the videos again by topic of what the form is. Who is a patient advocate? What is a durable power of attorney? A will versus trust, part 1, 2, and 3. Do I need a deed? So essentially, everything on our website is for you guys. It's built for you guys to help answer your questions and others. You can always direct them to our site to learn more. And that is it. Thanks for tuning in, guys.